years that I've been in the business, I think I've seen horses with ability that have come in all sizes and all shapes.
The great variety we see in animals depends in part on the structure and support provided by the skeletal system. And in a thoroughbred, the right combination of bones and soft tissue can add up to much more than good health.
Our third horse of the day is going to be our big horse of the day. It's going to run in the feature race at Pomona. It's a horse named Flying Sensation. Some of the physical attributes that we like about this horse is the slope of his shoulder and the size of his neck and crest. We like the shoulder sloped at about 45 degrees. And then he has a nice, strong withers and back, fairly short back. Makes for a nice, strong riding area. And then he has a very nice hip. He's an average-sized horse that has good bone density, that has good, strong-looking legs.
The strength and rigidity of most animal skeletons reveal their most obvious role: protection.
One important function of the skeleton for an animal like a human or a horse would be to protect soft tissues. For example, our skull protects our brain, and our vertebral column protects the spinal cord. Another function is that it defines the shape and provides support for the body. The skeleton also provides the basis for muscles to move the body. Muscles are attached to bones, and they function like levers to enable us to walk or locomote in other ways and interact with the surrounding environment.
Other services provided by the skeleton result from the dynamic nature of bone as a living organ.
The skeleton also is important in maintaining a state of homeostasis with the rest of the organism. There's an exchange of minerals between bones and the surrounding tissues, and it helps the body maintain, for example, a constant concentration of calcium, which is important for muscle and nerve function. Finally, the skeleton includes other components, such as tissues that are responsible for the synthesis of red blood cells.
We can see the living nature of bones in their ability to repair themselves and to grow.
Our program is one of developing young horses. It's exactly like an athlete. You have to build a foundation before you can draw upon it to expect the horse to perform at his peak performance.
One of the